So this is a new piece of equipment here we're excited to have arrive for inventory. It's the Easy Grinder from Apex. Very versatile machine to take plasma dross off parts, as well as give you a bit of an edge radius, take that sharp edge off on laser cut parts. Vacuum table built right in to keep the material in place when operating it. Dust collector as well attaches to the back that you just use a standard shop vac with. Got a rotating head to switch between abrasives. So quickly pull the pin, rotate, articulating arm, making the process very easy for an operator to go and run their parts. Variable speed to control the finish you get on your parts as well. So easy to ramp up, ramp down. You can put longer parts on the table that extend beyond the width of the table by lowering the rails here on the side. Those rails are around all four sides of the table. So let's fire it up and run some parts, show you what it can do. Yeah, give you a bit more of an edge radius. Now it's not real sharp.